learners. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into one of the most requested topics, how to learn English effectively and efficiently. Let's get started. Learning English can open up a world of opportunities, whether it's for travel, work, or making new friends. Here are some proven strategies to help you master the English language. First up, immersion. Surround yourself with English as much as possible. This means listening, speaking, reading, and writing in English every day. Watch movies and TV shows in English with subtitles, listen to English podcasts and music, and try reading books or articles. The more you expose yourself to the language, the more you'll start to pick up naturally. Next, practice speaking as much as you can. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, that's how you learn. Find a language exchange partner or join English-speaking groups. Practicing with native speakers or fellow learners can boost your confidence and fluency. Even talking to yourself in the mirror can be a great way to practice. Building a strong vocabulary is key. Here are some fun ways to do it. Use flashcards, apps like Anki or Duolingo, and keep a vocabulary journal. Write down new words and their meanings, and try to use them in sentences. Understanding grammar is essential, but it doesn't have to be boring. Study the basic grammar rules using books or online resources. There are plenty of fun and interactive videos that make learning grammar enjoyable. Consistency is the secret sauce to learning any language. Set a regular study schedule and stick to it. Even 15 to 20 minutes a day can make a huge difference over time. Use apps, online courses, and interactive games. Platforms like YouTube, Coursera, and even social media can be fantastic resources for learning English. Bye-bye.